What if you could create stunning product ads, posters, image ads, and more in just minutes? Google brand new Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as Nano Banana, makes it possible. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn simple ideas into high impact ads without Photoshop. Fast, easy, and built for business owners like you. Let's dive in. Okay, let's dive in into Google Gemini 2.5 Flash to create a product ads for whatsoever product you are selling. We are passing through Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio. It's Google AI Studio. We have aistudio.google.com. You can go through your Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, it is easy to access. Yeah, you click on this Google AI Studio. The next thing you move to generate media. Generate media, or it automatically shows where we are going. This is Gemini 2.5 Flash image. Okay. Then what you need to do is to click on it. It is also known as Nano Banana. That's the popular name for it. Nano Banana. Nano Banana. State-of-the-art image generation and editing model. Okay. But the focus of this tutorial is to create a product ad and an image ad for your product using Gemini 2.5 Flash image by Google. Okay, what we are going to do is to click on this. Okay, this tab. Then we have it here already. Then I've clicked it already. Let me confirm. Okay, okay. That's it. Then all we need to do is what's happening here? Okay. Then this plus sign to upload the image. The first thing we're going to be doing is to create a poster, an image poster for your product. You can easily create a poster. You have a free tokens given to you by Google. Then you click on this. Then you upload a file. Upload. Let's look at what we want to create poster for. We have a drink here. Yeah, we'll be creating a poster for this for some of these products using Google Gemini. Okay, we have the solar fizz drink. We'll be creating a poster for it. This is it. Okay. You can say create a poster for the attached product where the title feel can say feel the drink. Feel the drink. Something of that nature. You can also you can say include address, whatsoever you want to include on it. You can write what you want to include. If you want to include phone number, but I just want to generate a poster for this drink, a very simple one. Okay, create a poster for the attached product with the title "Fill the Drink." Make it hyper realistic and epic epic looking. Okay, let me run it. Run the prompt. Let me run it. Click on run. This is it. Wow, this is it. Let's download. Let's see what we have here. We have a poster. feel the drink, solar feast, ignite your day. This is just it. This is just it. This is just it. This is very powerful. This is what Google Gemini 2.5 can do. Okay, let's look at another product. Let's look at this perf product. Uploadify is part of the hatch that we want to create. Okay, we have let's say a wristwatch. You click on it, a wristwatch. Okay, you can also decide. Okay, so create an epic poster for the attached wristwatch. Mm, mm, place it on a wet, smoky rock. You can say zoom out to review realism. Add a phrase. The reality. Okay, make the background stunning. Okay, this is what I want. You can just, based on your imagination, you can write something that you want to create. Okay, let me run it. Yes, this is it. We have it here, the reality. Okay, you can see. Oh, there's a powerful one. Let's see it in reality. Let's see the full version of it. Oh, this is wonderful. This is a powerful poster. Wow, this is great. Okay, let us dive into the next segment of the tutorial. What we are going to be doing now is to create a version of the image ad whereby somebody is actually using it. Somebody's using it. Okay, let's click on this and upload a file. Okay, we have this t-shirts. Okay, we have these t-shirts. We have okay, we have a burger here. We have a burger here. Okay. We are not creating a poster this time around. This time around, let us create something different. Okay. Generate an image of children eating the attached burger in a restaurant. Okay, we can choose to look for a restaurant. Okay, let's look for a restaurant. Let's download an image. Restaurant. Okay. We can look for. Okay, let's look for a place, something of that nature. Okay, let's say you have your own restaurant and you have the picture. Let's look for hotel, restaurant. Okay, let me download this image. Let me download this image. Okay, okay. Restaurant, restaurant, and okay, download it. Okay, all I need to do, attach in a restaurant. Here we go in the second image. Okay, let me download the second image. Okay, to make it okay, generate an image of children eating the attached burger. In the second image, you can say zoom out this and making the children smiling while eating the burger in the restaurant. In the restaurant. In the restaurant. Making okay, in the restaurant. Let's see what it will give to us. Zoom out. Okay. Place a few of the burger on the table. Also, okay, just run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. About 7,000 out of. Let's see what we get. Uh, let's run it. Let's run it. Okay, I think we now have it. Look at it now. It's just it. It's nice. This is it. 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 This is nice. This is nice. Okay. This is nice. Wow, this is creative. This is powerful. This is nice. This is good. Oh, let's look at another one. Another one. Another example. Okay, we have okay, this headphone. We have an headphone here. We have this headphone. We have this headphone. We have this headphone. Let's see. Okay, this headphone, for example. Okay, somebody using it in a studio. Yeah, in a studio. Okay, okay. You want to create an ad for this headphone? Okay, okay. Attach it. Generate an image ad of the headphone, whatsoever. Okay, of the attach. Okay, 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 okay. The attached image. Someone using it. Okay, someone using it in a studio. Okay, make it a lighted studio with several background lights. Okay, something of that nature. You can use your own word. You have your own imagination. I'm only using my own imagination. I'm only using my own imagination. Okay, let's just click. Let's click. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, we have it now. Somebody using it. Oh, this is it. You can see a set of people using the headphone in a studio. You can see. Oh, this is very nice. This is very, very nice and powerful. Okay, you can see how to create your product ad. We have several products we can create ad from. We have several products here. Upload, let me see. We have several products. We have several products. We have several products. Okay, so thank you very much for waiting. I want you to subscribe to my channel and also share. Thank you.